Hey everyone, iOS 11 has been introduced and it's loaded with features, so let's get right into it. The first one to grab attention is the screen recorder, which is in the control center. As you can see, the whole look of control center has been changed. We can increase or decrease brightness, volume from the control center, and there are also other options like turning on or off data settings. The best thing is the whole control center is customizable. You can remove the apps you don't need or add the new apps that are given in the list below. You can even change the order of the apps, like I'm changing the order of the camera app from last number to third number. You can see, it shows instantly. The second best thing is the notification center. Since long, Apple have ignored the thing that even when the phone was locked, the messages and all the notifications would bypass the lock and appear on the lock screen. Now the Apple has done away with that, and you can change the setting so that the notification will only be visible when the screen is unlocked. Third comes the storage. There is now optimized photos. You can only save small photos in the iPhone and save the full quality photo on the iCloud. There is also offloading of apps so that when the storage runs full, the iPhone will automatically delete the apps which are used less but save the data in case you have to use it in future. The fourth one is, which is very hyped these days, is the black mode of iOS 11. You can invert the colors or classic invert the colors, but the next best thing which I like even more is that you can filter the colors. You can filter any color like grayscale it or choose any color like red black or green black, green blue, green yellow, and it will not only apply filter to the settings but also to the whole of the system. There is also a shutdown button in the settings, which I don't know what purpose it will serve, but it's nice to have something. The next big thing is the notification center. The whole look of notification center is changed and it looks almost like lock screen of iPhone. And like lock screen, you can access camera app by swiping it. The quality of camera app has not been changed much in the latest update of iOS. Look of some icons have also been changed, like the calculator. It is completely modified. It's a makeover for calculator app. And the Apple has introduced drag and drop option. You can edit the app and you can tap the other app at the same time. That would collect all the apps. So you can rearrange the apps by collecting one or more apps and moving it to the other page. The next big question would be if our jailbreak apps work on this iPhone. Although jailbreak has not been introduced, but third-party apps like Tutu apps are fully functional in this iOS. You just have to trust the app because the profile management settings would be deleted. And as you can see, the Tutu app is fully functional. The one big thing that Apple has missed is the wallpapers. With new iOS, we generally expect new wallpapers, but there are no new wallpapers in this iOS. Although we can download some cool wallpapers from Tutu app, but maybe the Apple will introduce wallpapers in beta public version. Another major change we'll see in the layout is that of App Store. The App Store has been completely modified, and even the games have been dedicated a special category. As you can see, the look is almost fresh and crisp. Also, the Apple has introduced My Files. In this, you can see all the photos and all the videos and documents that are in the Apple iPhone, whether they are located in iCloud or in the device or in My Drive or any Dropbox or anywhere else. There are also tags, and you can identify the photo by tags. I think it's a very good feature for someone who has many accounts and uses all such stuff. The multi-screen has also changed. As you can see that the app drawer is no longer in the multi-screen, and it helps remove apps and clear the apps more quickly. Another feature that has found its way from Apple iWatch to iPhone in this iOS is the SOS settings, although you might prefer to keep it off because it might go off anytime. All in all, this new iOS is a good effort from Apple and shows creativity. Although there might be some occasional lags and glitches because it's a beta version and that is expected. Like I have downloaded the Share It app which is not working, and I also had to wait a lot of time and try 3-4 times to download a photo vault. But the overall experience of using iOS 11 has been good so far with me. So I encourage anyone who'd like to see some change or is bored with the old iOS to use it. And the best thing is that you can revert back to the old iOS if you don't think it's working. I'll be uploading a next video so that you can know how to downgrade from the existing iOS back to the old version. Thank you for watching guys, and do subscribe my channel for more such videos and update on iOS.